Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This package was sent to me by Neves Knives. I'm sure you guys are aware of them, but if you're not, make sure you head over and subscribe to Neves Knives. They have a great channel. I think I'm just the next reviewer in line. I don't think this belongs to them. I think I'm just the next reviewer to take a look at this, so excited to take a look. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me. There's a link for Patreon right down below, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. All right. I think, yeah, best point of attack here and here. Okay. So, nope, not going to save the box. Okay. Okay, there's no note. Might have to use, I might have to put some words up on screen. Okay, here we go. Tempest Knives is who this is by. And then we have, oh, interesting. Oh, very nice. Orange peel on the titanium. Definitely unique looking already. Yeah. So interesting that this kind of looks like something that George Jetson would fly around in. M390, nice, big, roomy forward trail. I'll tell you guys right off the bat, the ergonomic lines on this are very, very good. What's interesting here is that this hole or this slot is not all the way through. It's the only area that you would use to manipulate the knife, but that being said, outside of a, easy thumb flick, it actually is very easy to do a reverse flick, and then pinch opening it is also easy. Something I'm noticing right off the bat here is that the lock bar tension is quite intense, and that's probably because the relief cuts are not enormous, and I think the general tension on the lock bar is pretty great. Now, obviously, it's still doable, but combination of lock bar tension and lack of a cutout here, right? I'm not doing it. I mean, like you can do it up there. Not the most comfortable, but I'm coming a bit lower, right? So the closer you get to the relief cut, the more tension you're feeling. That combined with the fact that we have no cutout here and minimal, they've carved out a little bit of space right in here. It's not the worst thing in the world. I just noticed it immediately. Ergonomic lines, very good. That little slot there, which looks like the cockpit. Doesn't this kind of look like a spacecraft, right? Or like somebody's vision of a spacecraft from the 70s? Kind of, to me. Cool looking knife, though. No idea who the OEM is. Interesting pivot. Oh, I always have to say this. For those of you who are not familiar with my channel, this is not a review. This would be a terrible review if I just unboxed something and I was like, here's the first time I'm handling it. I'm going to review it. You can't do that. You shouldn't trust channels who do that. No, first impressions. That's all this is. And then a few weeks down the road, you guys will, once I have all of the all of the relevant information and some experience with this thing, I'll give you guys a full review. I definitely like the finish. This is something that we do not see enough of in the production folding knife world. As far as I know, this feels very production-y. No blade play. How about pivot lash? Nope. No detent lash either. And the centering feels good. It looks good. It's a bit off, but it could be that we just need to tighten that pivot just a little bit. It's a bit off. It needs to be more like right there, right? Yeah, tighten that down just a little bit, it might be the case. Interesting knife, yeah. That's really all I have to say at the moment. Make sure you check out Tempest Knives. Is this the L? I was just looking at the message from Jared on Instagram just a second ago. Yeah, I'll make sure that the name of it is included in this video somewhere. If not now, then earlier in the video. Anyways, that's going to be pretty much it today, guys. So please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.